Want to fix unable to verify your phone number in WhatsApp? First, make sure you have a strong cellular connection or Wi Fi with internet access. Now, you want to verify your SIM card is active and inserted correctly and that you receive SMS or calls on that number. Next, you want to confirm your device state and time. For that, launch open your settings. Now, tap on General Management, then select Date and Time. Make sure that you have toggled on Automatic Date and Time option. If not, you simply want to set the accurate date and time from here. Wrong timestamps can block WhatsApp verification. Also, you want to check SMS permissions. For that, you want to open up your settings. Then tap on Apps. Now select WhatsApp. Then tap on Permissions. Here, tap on SMS and tap on Allow. Once that is done, head back. Now you want to tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache. Once that is done, open WhatsApp and now try to verify your number. If it is still not working, you can simply uninstall the WhatsApp and then reinstall it again. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.